Hello, I'm Emily Campbell, and today I'm going to be comparing and contrasting the Puppy and Debian Linux distributions. So as an overview, it just shows that Puppy was created in June 18th of 2003, while Debian was created on August 16th, 1993. They have different populations rank. Puppy's a little bit more lower down than Debian, on the popularity rank. The different focuses of the two different distributions is Puppy is easy and has a low memory footprint, and Debian is free open source and packaged software. So a little history on both of these. Puppy was created by Barry Kuhler in 2003. He wanted to make something in response to the other distributions growing in the system requirements over time, and slowly added file by file until Puppy 1.0 was created. Debian was created by Ian Murdock in 1993. Debian is actually a combination of Ian's name and his wife's name, Deborah, which I think is very cute. He wanted to replace one of the most popular distributions at the time, which was becoming slow and buggy. Committed to open source and free software led to the creation of Debian Social Contract and Debian Free Software Guidelines. The size of the distribution, Puppy is around 600 megabytes and Debian is 2 gigabytes. Puppy is meant to be lightweight, free pre-packaged programs. Debian is meant to be pre-bundled with useful software. So the use worldwide popularity, Puppy is 22, like I said earlier. It has around 515 hits per day, and then Debian is number 5, and that has around 1,383 hits per day. On the reviews, Puppy has a 9.13 from 167 reviews, and Debian has an 8.69 rating out of 762 reviews. So active derivatives, Puppy has 3 active derivatives listed on the DestroWatch called Puplets, which is also very cute. And Debian has 126 active derivatives listed on the DestroWatch. System requirements for these two, Puppy only needs a minimum of 128 megabytes of RAM and doesn't require any disk space since Puppy can be loaded onto the RAM. Debian, with a desktop interface, the minimum RAM is 256 megabytes. With a desktop interface, the minimum hard drive space is 10 gigabytes. These can be reduced somewhat by selecting fewer software packages to install in there. Some of the key unique features between these two is Puppy can boot from any media due to its lower size. Can actually be ran from RAM, which is pretty cool. Makes it faster and more efficient, While other distributions can run from CD, Puppy can run from the CDs that are not rewritable. Debian has a lot of support and documentation. Styled as a tower, comes with everything you may need in an operating system. Each one of its major versions are named after a Toy Story character, which is also very cute. I love how they're able to incorporate these special touches in all their distributions. Makes it really personable. So overall, between these the two distributions, Puppy seems a little bit more beginner user friendly, which is neat, and Debian just has that popularity and has just a lot of people using it, which is good and helpful for the community in it. But overall, these two are very cool, and it was very interesting researching them both and seeing the differences and the similarities and how they're produced. So thank you.